2023 was even hotter than predicted, raising fears that we are in uncharted territory. Last year, Earth warmed at around 0.2 degrees centigrade more than climate models predicted. While that may not seem much in isolation, when you consider it's a measure across an entire planet, it amounts to a heck of a lot of unexplained heat. It's humbling and a bit worrying to admit that no year has confounded climate scientists' predictive capabilities more than 2023 has, writes NASA climatologist Gavin Schmidt in an article for Nature magazine. The 2023 temperature anomaly has come out of the blue, revealing an unprecedented knowledge gap, perhaps for the first time since about 40 years ago, when satellite data began offering modelers an unparalleled real-time view of Earth's climate system. Schmidt warns if this unexplained anomaly does not settle by August, in line with previous El Niño fluctuations, then we will be in uncharted territory. Several theories have been proposed for the excess heat beyond what is expected from El Niño and known rates of increased CO2. These include a decrease in surface cooling aerosols from shipping after regulation changes in 2020, an increase in heat-trapped water vapor from 2022 eruption of Hungatonga Hungahapai, the underwater volcano, and peak activity in the current solar cycle, sending more heat our way. But even combining these don't fully account for observed extra heat, Schmidt says. The concern is we are missing something critical in our understanding of Earth's climate systems that would explain an accelerated rate of warming, such as a potential miscalibration in the start date of humanity's impact on the climate. Being ahead of schedule would explain why extreme climate consequences, including deadly floods, fires, and storms, have been whacking us so hard and fast already. It could imply that a warming planet is already fundamentally altering how the climate system operates much sooner than scientists had anticipated, he explains. Yet the sudden jump in heat may still be a short-term anomaly or blip in the data. There is a risk of conflating shorter-term climate variability with longer-term changes, Berkeley Earth climate scientist Zeke Hausvater cautions in an analysis for Carbon Brief. However, Hausvater also notes there are some early signs that this may be more than a temporary anomaly, including accelerated warming recorded in ocean heat and satellite measurements of Earth's energy imbalance. What's more, there's also no sign of this sharp increase in climate indicators changing course. We've just hit the 10th straight month of record global heat, with 12 months now above the Paris Agreement pledge of keeping the average global temperatures below 1.5 degrees Celsius of warming. While researchers probe the debate and debate the numbers exactly as scientists should, we're experiencing and witnessing the very real consequences of this excess heat all around us. 3/4 of the world's largest coral reef system, the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, is currently suffering high to extreme levels of bleaching. Animals are dying en masse and millions of people are going hungry as climate change drives famine in Africa. This is only the beginning. Some places are already feeling the heat far more than others. While it's important to work out these potentially large uncertainties in climate modeling, a greater priority is making substantial progress towards stopping the greenhouse gas emissions that drive the bulk of global warming. And this is on Science Alert by Tessa Koumoudouros. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.